As businesses begin to return to the workplace, we realize that many Ricoh MFPs and printers have been sitting idle for an extended period of time. To ensure your devices operate to their full potential, we are asking customers to initiate the following device startup procedure. It will only take a few minutes and will help to ensure proper device operation and image quality. Prior to turning on a Ricoh MFP or printer, wipe the entire device's exterior with a dry cloth to prevent damage caused by dust. If there's paper in the paper trays, replace all with brand new paper. Remove the all-in-one unit and shake side to side 4 to 5 times. Please refer to the all-in-one installation procedure in the user manual. Power up the device by turning on the main power switch. On color printing devices, perform auto color calibration and color registration according to the user manual. Perform a test print of about 10 sheets to check the operation and print quality. If a peripheral is installed, also test other functions, such as stapling or punching. Run at least 10 sheets of paper from each paper source tray. Welcome back.